into patent innovations in nanotechnology for water purification. Key patentable areas in water purification nanotechnology include innovations like nanofilters, antimicrobial nanomaterials, and adsorbent nanostructures for removing contaminants, pathogens, and chemical pollutants. Types of patents in water purification technologies include utility patents for filtration methods and antimicrobial materials, design patents for unique device designs, and provisional patents to secure priority for early-stage innovations. Patent eligibility criteria requires novelty, non-obviousness, utility, and legal compliance amidst a competitive, evolving landscape. Conducting thorough prior art searches, essential for identifying existing solutions and avoiding infringement using tools like USTO, EPO, and WIPO databases. Drafting strong patent claims. Clear, concise claims define scope, using independent, dependent, and method claims for robust protection. Overcoming common patent challenges. Address high prior art volume, abstract ideas, and complexity through clear differentiation and thorough documentation. Future trends in water purification. Nanotechnology. Emerging smart filtration and self-cleaning materials offer promising innovations to address global water safety needs. Collaborating with patent attorneys. Leverage their expertise in drafting, compliance, and global patent strategy development for robust protection. Contact us today to streamline your patent process and safeguard your innovations.